Hi friends, it's Teacher Sarah, and we are going to do a special science experiment called the Ziploc chromatography experiment. And chromatography is such a big word, isn't it? Chromatography means it's the separation of colors. So we're going to do a really cool activity to show you how color can separate and turn into a different color. So you're going to need some supplies in order to do this. You're going to need a paper towel. You're going to need some markers, washable markers, or you can just use a black marker and see what happens, which is the black one. You're going to need a Ziploc sandwich bag. You're going to need scissors in order to cut the paper towel to fit inside the sandwich bag. Then you're going to need some tape because you're going to tape it to the window or a wall or the fridge. And then last, you're gonna need some water. So I also have something else that I wanted to use for my experiment, and that is kind of a tray, or you can use a paper plate, because when you're having to draw the lines on your paper towel, so see, I made one. So I did the rainbow colors, and you can make two so that way you can compare and measure what happens to the two. Or you can just use one and have 3 consecutive black lines on it. So the first thing you're going to do is once you draw the lines on your paper towels, you're going to open up your sandwich bag and slide the paper towel in so that way the lines are up at the top, because you want to be able to pour your water in and see how it slowly progresses to see what happens when you mix the water in with the paper towel and then it touches the black lines. So let's go ahead and put the water in. So you only need a little bit of water. So I have a cup of water, but I'm not going to use the whole thing. I'm going to measure and pour slowly into my bag. So then I'm going to seal my bag up, and then I'm going to watch what happens. So you can hold it if you want to and wait, or you can use the tape and tape it on to a wall, a window, or the fridge. But you can have everybody watch and see what happens. But I already have one that's been pre-made, so you can see what happened. So this is what happens, and this is what chromatography is. It separates the black color into kind of this light blue and dark blue. It's really cool. But me being a sciencey person, I also wanted to find out what would happen if I did the rainbow colors. So this is my rainbow color chromatography experiment. And look what happened to that one. You see multiple colors blending together, and then it's sort of like this pretty picture. And it looks really cool. And then I wanted to see another experiment of what would happen if I used permanent markers, not washable markers. So see, look what happened when I just used permanent markers. Nothing really changed. So this would be a really cool activity to do with your friends at home. You can do it with your sister or your brother, your mom, your dad. But I hope you really find it really cool to do, and I hope you can try it and then show me and maybe send me a note or a picture. Thanks for watching. Bye.